Hey VV Nation, welcome to the channel. Well, it's Monday and it's my top weekly picks for the US, Canada, and Australia. Let's get right into it. Here's my top 5 weekly picks for the US, their contra ETFs, and I still got a super contra, that being Bank D. Microsectors banks, again, a lot of downgrades happening on banks, and I still think that the other shoe has to fall on the banks as well. On a day like today, it's up as a contra ETF, up 5%. I like this play. Tesla just said that they are cutting back on prices on cars in China again. I like them long term, but I think short term, this may be a good play, playing the contra for Tesla in and of itself. I've got HIBS, SQQQ, FANG for all of the tech stocks that are getting hit, and SOX for all of the semiconductors. Let's talk about how I got here. Going to the views from Friday's views, a lot of red in the color guard, primary wave down. The guidance from Friday going into today, prudent investors should not buy stocks at this time. Aggressive investors and traders should play the market with a bias to the downside. If I go to the graph today, well, we are down, but we got a little bit of a hammer formation forming. So even though I've got contra ETFs for this week, I'm going to let you know to be careful. I looked at the past 11 days. The market is going down 9 out of the last 11 days. There's the primary wave down. I'm going to see that the market is probably going to go up a day or two, but overall, look at the trend. I still like the idea of being in contras. All right, let's move over to the Canadian market. Looking at their market today, they are down a little bit of red, a little bit more yellow than red, or dead even thereabouts. Primary wave is down as of Friday. Let's go to the graphs. No, actually, the primary wave is up. Look at that. Primary wave is up. You're above the 65-day moving average. All of our major indicators are down. I'm looking to play more so to the downside than play more to the upside than the downside because of the primary wave up. But I'm going to let you know to be careful in the Canadian market. A little bit of a sideways move, but because of the primary wave, I am going to be looking at stocks to play to the upside. But I still want you to be careful because of the sideways move. All of the other major indicators are below 1. I still went to go find some of the best stocks that I could. Good earnings growth rates, fundamentally sound stocks, RTs with the exception of this stock. Let's go AutoFit. Bombardier is the only one that's got an RT below 1, but still good earnings. So in the Canadian market, even though I've got you on the longer plays or the up plays, bullish plays, I'm still going to tell you to be careful. Let's go to the views. Primary wave is up a lot, yellow in your color guard here. Primary it says prudent investors may buy stocks long only if the market is rising. Today it is not. Aggressive investors and traders should play the market as it develops. So in the Canadian market, and I love that these videos are not cookie cutter, that we just say the same thing across the board. Every country is unique. And in the Canadian market, again, primary wave is up. A little bit more yellow going on here, a lot more cautiousness. I am going to put you on the bullish side, but be careful. And then last but not least, we have the Australian market. They finished down a lot of yellow, a lot more yellow in the Australian market as of right now. If we go look at the graphs, primary wave is down. I know it's above the 65-day moving average. Primary wave is down. So for you, going to the views, a lot of yellow here, primary wave down. Shouldn't buy stocks at this time. Play the market with a bias to the downside. So for you guys, I do have stocks to sell short. My top 5 weekly picks here. Folks, that's pretty much it. I like it when we can get to the point. Again, U.S. market, contra ETFs. The Canadian market, I've got some stocks to play to the upside, but be careful. In the Australian market, I still would like for you to be down. There you go. Hit the like button if you like the content. Again, this is what we do every Monday, and on Fridays, we do a market recap. Folks, this video is over. And until then, next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, you know that we can analyze any stock in a matter of seconds. Do you want to analyze any of your stocks for free? You want VectorVest to tell you what you really need to know about that stock? Well, you can. If you go to www.vectorvest.com VectorVest.com/YTFSA, you can get a free stock analysis on any stock that you're currently holding or are possibly looking at. Folks, what do you have to lose? Do that now and analyze any of your stocks in a matter of seconds.